Hello again everyone, and welcome back to another video tutorial from ATWP WordPress hosting. In this video we're going to see another method for entering your web hosting control panel, the best WordPress hosting that you have purchased from ATWP. So for entering your control panel, the only thing you need to do is to log into ATWP Dashboard area, and then you can go to your services from here, and then you have your plan which is active, and click on your plan, and then you will see a button that appears in your dashboard. So if my connection let us do that, you can see the button to log into Plesk control panel, which I'm clicking on that, and you can see I'm inside my panel without needing to specify my username or password. And also I can go to my WordPress toolkit and do anything that you have seen in other tutorials. So that's it. Very easy how to log into your control panel without needing your password or username, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.